Hey guys, it's me, Goldilocks, and you're watching my channel, Goldilocks Does That. Care and share. And as you can see today, we got some fly new sunglasses. These are the Saint Laurent heart-shaped shades. They are fabulous. Like, I had to have these glasses when I first saw them because they are perfect. Like, these are the type of glasses you wear when you like want to make an impression, like when you step in the room and you want everyone to see you. These are it. Okay, so I just got these, so let's take the tag off and show you how I'm gonna prepare them to be fabulous. All right, first things first, these bad boys still have the tag on them. Retail price on these is $490. But I mean, look at them. Jesus. Jeez Louise, these are fabulous. Ooh. Anyway, so first things first, let's take the tag off. I hate how they put the tag on these and then it's like all sticky. Let's just pull that off. Oh no, I'm spreading the sticky. Okay. Now I spread the sticky, but that's okay. We're going to clean these. And these Saint Laurents, they came with like this case, the Saint Laurent case. Saint Laurent right there. And it's like, okay, it did not come with a cleaning cloth though. So again, we have to go back to Gucci, our Gucci cloth right here to clean these bad boys up. And what we're doing is we're just going to get the sticky off of here, and then we're just going to clean off any possible crud that could have came from any strangers in the store, because you know people like to try these on. So let me spray a lot where they're sticky and go to town. I don't know if this cleaner is going to take the sticky off of these glasses. It should. We may just have to go to old-fashioned soap and water for that. Or it's probably oil-based, so we'll need something oil-based. So let's see. Okay. Let's see what it'll do. Okay, so it did not help with the sticky. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of my mink oil, and this is normally what I would use to like waterproof or clean my leather, but today we're going to use it to remove the sticky. So I already wiped it on here. Let's see. It's getting there. Let's put some more on there. Since the sticky is oil based, we have to use some oil to dissolve it. Still a little bit sticky here. Almost got all the sticky off. It's being resistant. Yeah, so we got the sticky off. Good, so now we just got to get a little bit of that oil off. So we'll go back to my cleaner. Use the Gucci cloth to clean it up. We're good to go. So fabulous. I can't, like, these are like special occasion like glasses. Like, I don't even know where I'm gonna wear them, but oh, they will be getting worn this summer. Believe that. I want to put them on, but I don't want to get any makeup on them. I can't help myself. Clean these again. And now that they're lovely and clean, with my cleanser, and by the way, this is the cleanser I'm using. I just got this from Target. It's good for glass and plastic, so it's not gonna hurt your frames. As you can see, these are absolutely stunning. And so yeah, now I'm ready for the summer and to be fabulous, and you can't tell me anything in these glasses. Okay, so anyway guys, I'll have a playlist of like how I care for my glasses, my designer sunglasses, of course, eventually, if not now. So check it out. Oh yeah, when I'm all done, put them right in there. And I think honestly I kind of have some like little marks on the case, so this is what we'll do. We'll take some of the mink oil, and then we'll use it on our Saint Laurent glass case because it's looking a little dull. So look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Before, oh, before, after, before, after. So yeah, let's get both sides here with it. And this will absorb shortly, but you know, we even got to keep our cases looking fly, you know what I mean? And then we'll just clean off the excess. Clean off the excess. Excellent. And not only now do we have fly glasses that are clean and perfect and ready to go for the summer, but we also have the matching fly case. So it's awesome. Okay, so that's my review, guys. Like, it looks, it smells good too. It smells like orange. That's my review, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.